I think, yeah, we're live. Hey guys, this is day 31 of trying to get a software engineering internship. Your boy is back finally. It's been a couple days, but I had to take them off, man. I was just mentally exhausted. 30 days of streaming just got to me. So it took almost 3 days off, but we're back. We're back with some Leet Code today. We're gonna work on the 3-integer sum problem, or for short, 3-sum problem. And I do pause 3-sum, but yeah. So I was working on the AI customer support chatbot with Headstarter recently. I didn't put it on stream. I will start putting it on stream soon, but I can't showcase anything today, so we're just gonna focus on Leet Code problems for now. And yeah, we're just gonna continue on with this stuff, and then we'll see for later when I think hopefully by tomorrow I can start showcasing the project to you guys. But for now I can't, so we're just gonna stick to Leet Code for today. I missed you guys, man. It's been a minute. Haven't streamed for a while, but alhamdulillah, we're back. We're back better than ever. Just needed the break, and let's just get straight into it, boys. Yep, let's get straight into it. Let me just adjust this. There we go. There we go. YouTube's telling me welcome to live chat, remember. Brahim Chatri says, sup man, what's up bro? Is this your first time on stream? I have never seen you before. Is this your first time? If so, welcome to the channel, man. Nice having you here. So I was already kind of looking at this 3-sum problem, and what I noticed is, because we do have to use 2 pointers, I was thinking, I took this array as an example because it's one of the example arrays, and what I can do is I can put 1 pointer at the beginning of the list. So here, yeah, it is awesome. So this is also your first time on the channel, or like in general, just like your first time on stream? So this is where we can put the 2 pointers. So 1 pointer here and 1 pointer at the end of the list. And what I have is, I'm gonna take this pointer, so it's gonna start here for now, and this pointer is gonna stay put, so we're not gonna move this pointer. So this pointer, the left pointer, is gonna, we'll call it left pointer, is gonna equal to -1. It's not gonna move. This right pointer, on the other hand, we're gonna move it. So if we're taking the sum, because what we want our sum to equal to is 0, right, for 3 numbers in the list. So let's take -1. Should I switch the, yeah, 1 second guys, just gonna switch where I placed them. There we go. So I don't know if you guys can see actually. This kind of, yeah, here we go. So -1 here, then we're gonna add -4. So -1, -4, they're gonna stay. So we're not gonna like we're not gonna have any other value that we're adding other than -1, -4 for now. Like, these 2 are set. So the third value that we add, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this right pointer. First, we're gonna move it to -1. So let's take this right pointer, let's move it to -1 here. Now let's calculate the sum of this. So -1 plus -4 is -5, and then -5 plus -1 is -6. So -6 is what we got for the first sum. That does not equal to what we want, which is the 0. So this doesn't work. We gotta move on. Okay, we move on now. So let's take this pointer now, and instead of -1, let's move it again to but this time to +2. So let's look at our sum, which is over here. Let's change this -1 to a +2. So now we have -3 or -3, which is obviously we can't use -3 because it doesn't equal to 0, which is what we want. We want 0. So we're gonna X this out. We're gonna say no, this doesn't work either. Now we erase this, bop bop, and then we're gonna go on. We're gonna move our pointer again 1 more to the left. Now we have +1. Again, -4 doesn't work. And then we move on again. So now we're moving on again. We get to 0. 0 is not going to work. Okay. So none of the values, including -4, work. So we get rid of our -4 now. Now we start our pointer at -1. So our second pointer now begins at -1. So -1 will always be in the thing, if that makes sense. Like -1 is set now. So we're gonna see what we're gonna add to the third value from going from -1 left up until 0, because we can't reuse values, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, cannot contain any duplicates. So let's start at -1 now. So if we move our pointer, we check with 2. What is this equal to? Oh my god, -2, 0. So we found our first possible, this is the first triplet that will actually equate to 0. So now we have the array -1, -1, 0, because this works, or the list, sorry, or sublist, whatever in here. So this works. Sorry, 2. I meant 2. So this works. So we found our first one. Now, I don't think there's any point in checking any other value because we don't have any other 2s in here. So we can just move on. Now, with -1, we can move on to 2 now, starting at 2 instead of -1. So now we start at 2. So 2 is now our second set value. So here we go. 2 is now our second set value. And now we go on to 1. -2, -1 plus 2 plus 1. That's not going to work. So we move on again. We move on again. Now we go to 1. Because nothing else works. Now -1 plus 1 plus -1 plus 1 plus 0 works. So -1 plus 1 plus 0. This actually works. So now oh sorry, you guys can't see that. Here we go. So this works. So this is now correct. So we now found another one that works. So -1. You guys can't see that either. Let me move this. -1, 1, and 0. So this is our second possible triplet. Okay. Now we can go at 0. We can't go to 0 because like we can't really use any other values. So we now move this pointer. We're gonna move this pointer to 0, but we're not gonna include -1 at all anymore. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start again here, but we're gonna check all these ones. So I think you guys have an idea. Like, okay, we moved our right pointer. Now we go 0 plus -4. And none of them work. If you look at it, none of them are gonna work. So we move on. There's nothing here, and so on until we reach -1, basically, or 2. Until we reach 2, until we reach -1 on the right pointer, left pointer, and then on the right pointer we reach 0. And then we're obviously done with that. I guess like the pointers. This is my idea for the solution. Now, if we try to code it up, let's try to code this up, because I think this is good. I'm gonna try coding it up. Yeah, I'm gonna try coding this up. So let's try this. It's gonna be a little difficult, but I think we can definitely do it. So this isn't a linked list, so we can't use no .next, nothing like that. But what we can do is use a for loop. One that goes backwards and one that goes forwards. Or no. Well, let's set our left pointer first. Left equals, and then nums 0. And then for our right pointer, we're gonna set it to something else. So right equals nums. I mean, it depends on the length as well, but we're just gonna go len nums -1, because that would be our last That would be our last index. So we set our left and right pointer. We're only using 2 pointers, to be fair. And yeah, let's see. So we have our left and right. Coding this is gonna be a little interesting, to be honest, because either I think I'd have to do a nested loop, which I don't think is gonna be a great solution, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do a nested loop, one that goes like this for I in range. And we had stated that we can't do combinations until they reach a certain point. So len nums, and then we minus it. And then what did we say when we reached -1? So we'd want to stop before that. So for I in range, len nums -2, because we don't want to get to -1 because we can't actually do anything for our left pointer. So we want to stop there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Len nums -2. Yeah, we'll stop at -1 then, I believe. We'll stop at 2, sorry, 2 would be our last iteration. So 0, 1, yeah. Pretty sure. Yeah, okay, we're good. No need to overthink it. And then for J in range, we're gonna start backwards this time though. So how do what's the code for setting it backwards? How do we do a loop backwards? How do I make a backwards loop in Python? I know it's something to do with -1. Yeah, something like this, but I'm just gonna get it to start. Okay, we'll just do something like that then. For J in range, our starting point is len nums -1. So yeah, I mean, I kind of already set the right pointer to that though, so yeah, let's just go len nums -1. No, we'll start it at len nums -2. We'll start at len nums -2, and then we just do our backwards thing. So -1. So Bustin', yo, long time no see. Yes sir, bro, we're finally back. I just needed a break, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I just got tired. I was streaming all the time, coding so much. I just like needed a mental, like, you know, need to take a step back, just focus on myself and like relax a bit, you know. Like, I'm not saying you guys should always do that, but sometimes you're in need for a break. Like 30 videos of just streaming takes a toll on you mentally sometimes. But yeah, it's just tiring, I'm not gonna lie. But we're back, bro. We're back with some Leet Code, and hopefully we solve some problems today. But yeah, how are you guys, bro? Where's chat today? Where is chat today? Okay. Anyways, so we set our set left and then we set our right. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. I gotta think about this. No one's here, I see, lol. Yeah, bro. I haven't streamed in a minute. Boys just left, bro. It's been 3 days. Y'all just dipped on me. But Brahim's here. So I do appreciate Brahim being here. We got a couple people watching, though. But the algorithm doesn't pick up as much when you don't, like, consistently stream. So, like, it'll take me, like, a day or two just to get everyone back and, like, to hit those peak numbers again. But we'll get there. It's Thursday. I haven't streamed all week, bro. Yeah, like I think the last time I streamed was the 4th. So I haven't streamed on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. But it's I. We gon' solve these problems, bro. Okay, so we start at we start in there. Len nums -2. I guess I'd start on the one off. Would I? No, I don't need to. Yeah, I don't need to. I would just do nums. Sum. What's it? Sotera, yo, you're in college? Yes, sir, I am in college. Indeed, I'm in my 3rd year of university. Bro, I'm Jet 3. Yeah, it's okay. Bro, you don't know what a person did his first stream and got 1k subs? Like, bro, you know what a person did his first stream and got 1k subs? Like 9 hours. What did he do? What did my guy do? I'm trying to be on that, bruh. I'm trying to be on that. So nums I plus nums j plus right sum. What kind of total? Whatever, we'll call it total. Total equals nums I plus nums j plus right. So we're gonna take our first, and then we're gonna take our should probably do right here just to not cause confusion. Right plus nums j. So currently what we're doing is we have our pointer here. Rithvik says, hey bro, GGMU, good to see you again. Bro, do not say this in this chat, bro. There ain't no glory Man United out here, bro. I don't like no glory Man United. He got like 200 viewers live watching. How? That's insane. That is actually kind of crazy. Yo, y'all gotta smash the sub button right now, boys. You gotta smash that subscribe button if you guys are new. It's you never walk alone. That's what should be in this chat, by the way. Okay, total nums I plus right plus nums j. I don't even think I needed to write the left right thing. The algorithm loves him. Oh, bro, algorithm should love me, but it doesn't. Algorithm does not like me. If total equal to 0. Let's make a result. If total. Bro, why do I have a bracket here? If total equal to 0, result dot append, and then Yeah, not we just do this. Nums I. Nums I right. Nums J and not and I guess we can't really do that. Stick to this. Not gonna lie, he broke the whole algorithm. How do you break the algorithm? QT Steven says, bro, every LinkedIn CS job post under 24 hours has 100 plus applications. If you don't have dedication, the amazing resume, you're cooked. Yeah, also, I learned a new tip recently. Apply as fast as possible because a lot of companies actually hire on a rolling basis. So they look at the resumes that apply first. So if you're like the 170th applicant, unless they're doing resume screening, it's very hard for you to even get an interview. So set your alerts on LinkedIn. Make sure that you are immediately getting to your job applications and not wasting any time. Because the faster you apply, the more set you are in getting an interview. Zahib Hassan says, I learned a lot from him. From who? Who are we talking about? Okay, we got this. So I think this is enough for now, but I do have to change the pointer. Oh wait, I can't like. 1 second. What is the end I wanted to set again? I wanted it to stop on this one, so. How did range work again? We got 5k. I learned a lot from him. He got 5k subs. It's crazy, bro. Who is he? Why is this guy edging? This guy's whole edging right now. How do for loops work in Python? Okay. So we wanted to stop at 1. Right? Yeah, to stop at 1. Why are you edging us though? Who is this guy who got 5k subs? What does this for loop do? This feels really stupid on my end that I don't even know. I think I have an idea. I think I did the right thing. And it would be starting. Would stop before. Okay, so we did the right thing. It's him. This guy's just edging, bro. This guy's trolling right now. This guy's trolling. he just tried to edge us. Is it you? Or who is it? So let's see if this code is currently doing what we need it to do. So nums I is here. Oh, we don't move our right pointer until later. So I'm like, glad you are back. Hope you are doing well. Yeah, I'm doing well, man. I just needed a break. I was just not feeling it. He don't have a name. Yeah, I guess he doesn't. Apparently he doesn't have a name. He doesn't have a name. So, okay, wait. This is, I think, what we're currently sticking to is not exactly what we need to be doing. Because we want to change our starting point every time. So I guess we can do like make a variable and call it start. We'll start it at lens -1. Well, we want to change that start every time. So we'll do start -1. Starting point. This is kind of interesting, actually. Nah, bro, I'm not trolling. I am not a meme. Damn. Fair enough. Good to take breaks to avoid burnout. Yeah, dude, it was very like, I don't know. I just was not feeling it at all. Like I watched my last stream and I was like, I didn't feel enthusiastic at all. And now I feel like I kind of somewhat have that back, but yeah, like I just like did not feel like I was like pushing and giving it my all. And if I'm not feeling that way, then that's not a good sign for me. So what kind of project do you have listed on your resume? You can check my resume out. It's on my website, talhorich.com. Everything is there. If you click on my view resume button, you can see everything listed on my resume. I can give you a quick overview though. I have a stock predictor. I have crypto tracking apps. Like it just tracks the prices of crypto. What else do I have? I'm forgetting. I have the YouTube channel. I have my personal portfolio website, and then I have a self-checkout station project I made with 20 other people. Isn't 8 hours of sleep enough for rest? It should be, but I just mentally was not really like, I just did not, I don't know how to explain it, just was not in the mood, to be honest. Like I just wasn't like feeling like streaming. I just kind of wanted some space from CS in general. Like just constantly every day just coding is just like, you need to take a step back, bro, and you need to just reevaluate. But I did apply, I guess, on LinkedIn and stuff, so that was good. But yeah, currently what I'm doing is I'm starting here. I have this here, and I'm going up until 1. Do I go up until 0? Yeah, I do. Ooh, I might have to change these. So I go -1, 2, 1, 0. Bro, come on, work like a robot. I hope you're joking, bro. Yeah, I go here, then I go here, and I go here up until here. So I guess I have to make an end variable. So the end right now is 1, but I want to we have to increment that every time we finish a full iteration. So we'll move our right pointer by the end here. Huh, this is interesting. Because we don't want to move our left until what? If it's not to 2018 where you learn HTML and get a job at Google, bro, it's not. It's trash. It's just terrible. Stare says, I remember when I was trying to get my first dev job, I was applying to everything. A lot of the listings on Indeed seemed sus. Yeah, Indeed is very sus compared to LinkedIn. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they don't even have like pictures of the actual companies. Whenever I see an Indeed posting, I'm like, yeah, this is sketchy, bro. Indeed's always been sketchy to me, but it's good for like minimum wage jobs. Like, that's where they put the most, like, I guess, jobs for that stuff. Most minimum wage jobs are on Indeed, but I guess they're also the like trash jobs that no one wants. So that's the difference, I guess. So we have an end, we have a start, and then what are we doing here? Threesome's not an easy problem, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. I have to increment the start and end. My only thing is, yeah, there's an issue. Because I need to check for here every single possible combination. Are we kind of brute forcing this with 2-pointers? I feel like I'm brute forcing with 2-pointers, but you have to though, because you have to check every possible every possible combination to make sure that everything's correct. So if it trash, work like a robot and throw that trash in the bin. Dude, the only thing trash is the market, bro. And I gotta throw the market in the bin then. Not resting and stuff like that. Dude, you have to rest. Because the quality of work you're gonna have when you don't rest is not gonna be worth it. Yeah, like the quality of work when you don't rest is completely terrible. I was applying from 2016 to 2019 before I got my first job. And first I got a job after only 3 months of learning. It depends. And I got my first job and I have first I got a job after. It depends. Bro, when you're getting 8 hours of sleep, you good to go. Bro, I agree with you, but sometimes you just don't feel like coding. You know what I mean? And, oh, your friends got a job after only 3 months of learning. So what are your recommendations for actually getting that job after your 3-year search to get your first job? Like, what do you think was the game changer for you? First equals transform. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But what do you think the game changer was? What did you change about your style that got you there? Because they do say the definition of insanity is doing things, repeating the same thing and expecting a different outcome. Tyler Ewing, what's your Leet Code stats? Not great. Not great at all. In terms of how many problems I've solved, because I would say I'm not that insane in terms of problems solved. I think I have to do a while loop. I don't think I'm doing the right thing here. I have to do a while loop. But yeah, my Leet Code stats are not great. That's for sure. I don't even know what they are, to be honest with you. But yeah, they're not great. Hey, yo, how's the team project? My team is cooked. It's all right so far. The team's kind of annoying, to be honest. In terms of like getting everything together, you're very dependent on like everyone. So it's like very slow compared to making your own solo project. Yeah, it's pretty annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but we're getting there. I'm gonna try to start my thing on stream tomorrow. We're just working on the authentication page. How many problems have you solved? I don't even know. I think 200 and something. Not that many, but I've repeated a lot of problems. I only really do the ones I think I need to. Networking. You met friend on Discord who was a dev, and we would play PUBG, and he helped me get a job with him. Damn. Okay, I see. So the networking actually worked in your favor. Yeah, that's a lot of what I'd say too. Like network, but in person networking is a lot more important, boys. In person, going to career fairs, all that. That's the game changer, I think. On God, I liked working solo too. Yeah, solo is a lot better than team, because team, you're just so dependent on your team members, which is another reason why I didn't stream the past 3 days, because we were trying to figure out how to structure the project, and it would just take forever. Like, you have to get everyone on the same meeting at the same time, and they're all just like, yeah, it's really hectic. Mike Jagger, yo, what's up, bro? Solving Leet Code right now too, lol. That's awesome, bro. Hopefully you solve your problem, because I'm hustling right now on mine. Talha, you gotta play PUBG too. Maybe I do, boys. Maybe I gotta play PUBG right now. Are we playing PUBG? What are y'all saying? Is it a PUBG scene? No, I'm playing. Honestly, now that I look back at it, I would do a lot of things different with my resume and projects. What key differences though? Like, now that you're in the job market and stuff, like, what do you think HR looks for their new interns and all that, or any job in general? What would you recommend? Because we do have a lot of people who are looking for a new grad role as well. So yeah, you start structuring your personal projects like a real dev lifecycle. Create tickets, PR, review, test suite. Fair enough. Yeah, I started learning a lot about clean code architecture, all that stuff. We play in real life PUBG. Yeah, in this job market at this point. Yeah, that's a funny joke. Coin change 2. This is hell. Yeah, coin change. I think we did coin change actually the other day. Not recently, but back in the day. Wanted to ask if you were ever going to make normal YouTube videos or only stream. When I get my first job, bro, I'm gonna make it that's gonna be the first video. I might make some videos though. I'm considering it, but I was like, oh, like, if I get the internship, I want the first video to be like, I got an internship, here's what I learned, or something, right? Like something like that. That's what I'm thinking so far. Yeah, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. We're doing well, bro. Everyone's showing up today. It's a good stream, man. I'm enjoying it. Y'all are awesome, boys. Keep spamming chat, bro. I'm trying to read out your questions, answer anything, even if it's not a question, say something. It's always good to hear everyone out. While start not equal. While start is not equal to lenums. Or sorry, are we saying while left is not equal to? Then I guess end, yeah. Wow, no. This is for the right pointer. Bagad Bill, good morning. Yo, good morning, bro. It's afternoon for me, but good morning for you. I'm guessing it's your morning time. Alright, how we doing this? Are you a college student? Which year? I am a college student and I'm in my 3rd year. The way I have these, I guess I have to say while left is not equal to. I have to change the way I wrote these. Instead of doing this, I should just index things. Left equals 0, right equals len nums minus 1. And then I'll say while left is not equal to nums. While left is not equal to len nums minus 2. this. Gonna have to restructure all this. It's 5 a.m. and I'm revising recursion. Oh, this is your first. Oh wait, sorry, I have to read about. Never had a technical before for a junior software engineering position. Should I expect mediums and hards or mostly easies? From my understanding, especially juniors, I think mediums and hards. I think for interns you'll expect more easies, but from what I've heard from my friends who are in junior positions, it tends to be medium and hards. Or mainly mediums, and for mediums, make sure to be able to solve it in like 20 minutes. Because if you can't, you're cooked. If you're going into a big company, some companies just do take-home projects, but the ones that don't, yeah, you have to do that. I'm from India and it's 5 a.m. here. Yeah, I know. A lot of the Indian guys always be telling me, bro, it's super late and stuff. But y'all are up early all the time though. You guys stay up all night, or you're like up early? So that's what I've noticed. Understand the company first. If it's a big company, then they probably have HR screening resume, and if it's mid-small, then dev is probably reviewing your resume. Yeah, I think if it's mid to small, also just make sure to apply earlier, because they're just gonna go based off a rolling basis. They're just gonna see the first couple resumes that come in. They're gonna look at that. If they like it, they're gonna hire the guy or interview him. So you gotta be quick with it. Bro, try Striver's DSA sheet. What is that? Bro, the friend I told you want to start freelancing, I made an agency. You made the agency, or he made an agency? Who made the agency? He made an agency. How's it going for him? It's a rough world in the agency space now. At least from what I've heard. And, oh, he's doing great. Then Zabe, you gotta start an agency right now, bro. You gotta start this agency stuff. What's stopping you, Zahib? You always know everything about every single tactic, every single way to get success, but I don't see you pushing through. My sleep schedule is sleeping at 5 p.m. and waking up at 12 at midnight. Damn. That's an interesting sleep schedule. Kind of cool though. Makes sense. I recommend contributing to open source projects because that will give you professional experience and experience diving into a big code base that you're not experienced in, having your code reviewed by other devs. That is very good advice, Sotero, actually. I will definitely look into that. DSA sheet by Strive is a proper path for DSA with 456 questions. Google Strive's DSA sheet. I will also look into that as well. You guys are giving really good tips today, eh? He's closing clients every day 4 to 5 figures. What are we talking, rupees or dollars? Zahib, the thing is, closing clients isn't the hard part with agencies. It's delivering on your promises. I can lie to any guy on Upwork and tell him, oh, like I can finish your project in like two weeks or something, and then I take like a couple months. I'm not gonna get good reviews. My business is gonna go down. I'm gonna lie to my customers. They're not gonna pay me. So yeah, it's not hard to close. It's hard to deliver, especially with agencies, I believe. I'm in Bangladesh and I'm stuck here. Protesters are literally destroying Hindus here. I saw what's it called, your guys' prime minister, whatever, she left after 15 years. It's insane, bro. The world is changing. Everything is going down. But I hope you guys are safe in Bangladesh, bro. I have a lot of Bangladeshi friends and stuff. And yeah, I will hope everything is okay there. I'd love if you could give me some updates. I heard you guys weren't even allowed to access the internet, or something went wrong for a bit. Rupees, what's that, bro? Don't act stupid, bro. You live in Pakistan. How do you not know what rupees is? So Tara says, with open source, your work is being used by actual users, and it teaches you to write quality code based on the project standard. Dude, Satara is like spitting facts right now. Like he's like cooking up. He's chefing up right now. Nah, bro. Bro said nah, bro. Nah, bro, what, fam? What is bro on about? Who said nah, bro? But yeah, this problem, bro. Total, we can't do this. I guess we'll go nums left plus nums right. Plus nums, I mean, we're not doing no nums j. We're just gonna do right. Oh, let's make a variable for this. We'll call it, do we call it current? Not sure. Well, for me, I kind of just showed the senior that I can problem solve and told him to give me a practically hard problem that other devs haven't solved yet, and solved it. It was a gamble. Did you get an internship doing that, or like what did you what is this for? Code with Shanuga says, I am from Sri Lanka. Hello guys, nice to meet you. Code with Shanuka, I think that's how I pronounce it. Lovely having you on stream. And I've been to Sri Lanka before. I don't know if this is significant, but Sri Lanka is a nice place. I went to Kandy, I went to Colombo. I've been to a couple places. Mike Jagger says, you got into a startup. Great to hear. Yeah, startups are great, bro. Startups are, if they pay you well, they're pretty good. But what do you think? Are they paying you, or is it unpaid? I worked at a startup last summer. It was called Favorite Flyer. So yeah, I know a thing or two about working for startups. But no, that's sick, bro. So you solved that. You showed a senior that you can problem solve and told him to give you a practically hard problem that other devs haven't solved yet. So was there a little bit of finesse in there, or you were like a Leet Code like hard problem solver, like you're like that? Wait, what just happened? Sri Lanka is an amazing place, so peaceful, and people there are really kind. I went there and got a lot of free food despite they were having a hard time. Yeah, Sri Lanka is really nice. It is. I actually recommend going there. Like, it's very islandy as well, and I kind of like the beaches and stuff. So it was nice going there. I actually had a really good time there. It was really nice. I know Sri Lanka also has a lot of software engineers. Actually, when I was doing a machine learning course, and like their whole team that they were putting us on a project for was from Sri Lanka. So that was really interesting. Like, I was just working with a bunch of Sri Lankans at the time. Very nice people. I'm a university student. Awesome. How's your university there? There's a lot of people that actually go to the top universities from Sri Lanka in Canada, and they try to like get them as interns from there. Same, Brian. I'm a university student from Delhi. Great to hear, boys. Great to hear. We got a lot of university students today. But let's see if total equals 0 result out of pen nums. So we can't even do this really. We're gonna have to do nums left and then nums right. And then nums. We can't do j. What we can do is like a current pointer, and what we'll set it to initially is obviously right -1. Bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow. My break time is up and I'm going back to DSA as well. No worries, bro. Happy learning, guys. Nice to have you on stream regardless, man. Make sure to smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Helps out the channel. Anyone who isn't subscribed yet, if you can smash the subscribe button, really helps out the channel. But yeah, thank you for showing up on stream. It was lovely talking to you. But let's see what we can do here. So now we have our current. We have our another extra thing called current. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's see what we can cook up. I'm gonna get this problem, bro. I'm 100% solve it. I'm more than capable. I believe in myself. I believe. I believe I am capable. Bagad means naughty and Billa means cat. I know what Billa means. I can speak Urdu. I can't speak Hindi, but I can speak Urdu. मुझे थोड़ी सी हिंदी मालूम है. So I can speak a little. I can speak a little. Bro, Amin just started ecom now. He is saying it's 100% viable. Did he post that on his YouTube channel? Or is it on his members thing? Because it might be on his members thing. Because I know you're subscribed. Or maybe he actually posted a YouTube video. Let's see. I think he might have posted a YouTube video. No, I think it's on his members thing. Yeah, if you join this. You guys should join it. It's really good. Discord server. Really? I'm not on his Discord server. Should I join? I should probably join his Discord server. I gotta make a Discord server as well, so yeah, we'll look into that. Okay, anyways, we gotta lock into this problem, bro. I'm not locked in on this problem right now at all. Gotta lock in. Lock in, boys. Gotta log in. We're almost at an hour on today's stream. Join. What's up with the join, boys? Bro, Hindi and Urdu are the same thing. It's just a different accent. On the right path. Me? Am I on the right path, or what are y'all saying? Why is Mike Jagger saying join though? I'm very confused. Discord link, please. Bro, I gotta make it first. One second, I'm getting a call from my boy, bro. This guy's like who I'm working on the Head Starter project with. This guy's spamming me. Make a server quick. Y'all are right. I do gotta make a server quick. We gotta make that server ASAP for y'all. And y'all, we shall join. I gotta make it. I gotta hire someone to set it up and stuff. But I have talked to a couple people about. People just start saying word e-commerce shouldn't be allowed on server. Why? Because you guys are all tech guys, and he's like, dude. I mean, his whole goal was to get rich, though, right? And he coded up his whole e-commerce thing. I forget what it's called, his e-commerce website, but he coded the whole thing up. Okay, anyways, let's try this. If total equals 0, result.append nums left, nums right, nums current. You should try a few problems, solving them only through a pseudocode first, and then once you saw. Yeah, that's a good tip. That's a very good tip. I kind of did this, like I solved it out in my head. Like I kind of know how to get it. At least the algorithm, I'm thinking if I can implement that, then I 100% can get this to work. But currently, what I think is happening is I'm going brute force. Which, I don't know if that's smart to go brute force. I mean, I don't know if I'm correctly doing it right now. But yeah, I think the actual algorithm I'm doing is correct. But it would be considered brute force, which I don't know if is ideal when solving this problem. I don't know if that's the smart thing to solving this. I met another person who wanted to start an agency, bro. Pakistan is full of people who start agencies, bro. So many guys. It's known. It should be called the agency hub for like how many people start agencies there. It's insane. If right equal to, sorry, if left Yeah, sorry, if right equal to if right gets to, I guess, the 0 pointer. Yeah, if right gets to index 1, then we want to reset our right to len nums -1, and then we want to set our left to be incremented. So yeah, and then I think that's good. But for current, once we finish this iteration, should I do current before or after? I don't think it matters. I mean, another person was right, not Pakistan. Oh, so where are they located then? And another person was a manager of a company. Damn, Zahib, you meeting all these guys, bro. Why aren't you like getting higher? What's going on, Zahib? You got the most connects. You know everything that's going on. You're always locked in. Where is the? Tell us about the results, bro. You gatekeep it. Zahib been gatekeeping day 1, low key. You got to stop gatekeeping, Zahib. You gotta let us know what's up. You gotta tell us what's up. Help the boys out, bro. It's a community here. No gatekeeping allowed with the boys. He spent 70k on SaaS app for Android and iOS. Really? I heard a lot about SaaS, but I'm not sure if it's something that I'm trying to like ever get into. But like, heard it's good though. Heard SaaS is pretty good. SaaS is good, yeah. If current not equal to left. And then we'll do current minus equal 1. And then we'll do an else statement. Else current equals right minus 1. That way we have our current pointer set. By the end of this, we should have yeah, we should be able to wait if right equals 1. But yeah, he knows he was not even technical person, was managing tech team all, but yeah, he knows this stuff now. He got 3 teams: designer team, development team, and marketing team. That is the 3 keys to building a strong agency. That's 100% like one of the big keys. But that's only once you scale. And what I think I recommend about agencies is like being able to have like what's it called? Like being able to have a team in person that you can actually deliver with. Because if you don't, I feel like it's kind of cooked in terms of like getting to the place you want to get to. Yeah. Hopefully we solve this problem, bro. I gotta actually solve this problem. I gotta actually solve this. I think I'm on the right track right now. Okay, let me just visualize what this is doing right now. So we have our left, which starts at 0. We have our right that starts at len nums -1. and we add our current, which is right minus 1. For now, at least. Yeah, we have our current that is right minus 1. Yeah. Why am I saying if right equals 1? Do I mean... What do I mean? Okay, yeah, that's resetting it. Okay, listen, bro, you shouldn't leave the agency you had on Upwork. I was not delivering on projects, bro. The devs I was hiring were not doing their job, and they were taking way too long, and it was just super stressful. Same thing happened with Amin too. Both of us went through the same thing where the devs we had weren't completing their job. Anyone I know who has an agency and does really well, they have devs like first of all, they're getting projects within North America, which is the highest paying for any dev project, and then their dev teams, they had in offices and they had managers and everything was there. I was doing everything fully online and it was very stressful. So either I would have just hired through Upwork only and like kept it on Upwork and not gone off Upwork or anything, or yeah, I'm not sure from which countries you hired the devs. I hired them from Pakistan, which is why I'm very disappointed with how Pakistan's devs came out to be. I think Indian devs are honestly better. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm gonna just keep it a buck, like at least on Upwork. But Pakistani devs, I felt a lot more like they're not willing to put in that much work. And then yeah, it was just no, I wasn't very impressed by how they acted. Let's just say that. Like, it wasn't impressive at all the way they were presenting themselves or anything. It just felt more like they were trying to overcharge me, and then they weren't gonna do the work if I didn't pay them the amount they wanted. One guy literally argued with me. He's like, "Oh, if you don't pay me $1,000 just to check a cybersecurity issue, and not even do it, just check what it is and diagnose the problem." He was asking for $1,000. I'm like, bro, get out of here. I'm not paying you that much. Literally insane. Some of the people on Upwork are actually insane. But that's a quick Upwork rant on my end. Just ranting about Upwork and how trash it is sometimes. No, Upwork, the platform idea is great. But yeah, they're just, yeah, nah, man. Don't hire devs from Pakistan. They aren't it. Zahib, have you ever done an agency or anything? Is this something you have ever dabbled in? So we check this, and then if current not equal to left. So we moved our current here. And then if right equals 1, it doesn't. So we're staying here. And then, yeah, we check again. The great devs from Pakistan are very difficult to find. Yeah, a lot of them just scam, bro. Which is why I don't even like Upwork, because it's full of people who are just not great devs. Like, you don't get the best in the market from Upwork unless, and if you do, you have to pay them very high, which is very unrealistic for a lot of people. So having an agency, unless you have connections and you have the biggest platform, like, agencies work. I don't know about in this current market if they're working or not, just because of how bad the economy is. But yeah, having being an agency right now is cheaper as well through AI. You can hire less devs, by the way, just because of AI. But it's just getting to that point getting there is just a lot more difficult at the moment. Stuff is hard, bro. It's looking cooked, but hey, hopefully we get there. I want to definitely go back into the agency stuff once I experience my own dev engineering life. You were having an Upwork account getting project and you were posting the same client job on the same profile, or different? No, the same profile, I'm not gonna lie to you. No, I had a different one. It was called like H Inc. when I was posting the jobs, but it was just like you just post it on Upwork, just the same job. But I would just change it up a bit. Like I would change up the job description. It's all business, bro. It's all business. It is all business. It is all business. No, yeah, it was the same account. So you were running 2 accounts, one for getting client project and the other one for reposting the client project to hire a dev, right? Yep, that's exactly what I did. That is exactly what I have done. And then right minus equal 1. Okay, now yeah, and then I go here. This gets set to this, and this gets set to this. And then once I get here, okay, I'm gonna try returning my list now. I think this is all I need. Bro, ban Hex Code FF. He is a bot, I guess. He's not even showing up in my chat, so I guess he didn't even show up, so maybe he didn't do anything. Or maybe YouTube caught him for me. Yo, y'all gotta see the biceps, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is a real tech enthusiast with big biceps. What am I saying, bro? I'm just trolling at this point. Chat, I'm trolling too hard. I think I solved this though. I'm gonna check if I did the right thing. But I should be good, I think. Should be chilling. Should be chilling, chat. Where is chat right now? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? We went from 11 people watching to 1. Downfall is insane, literally. Downfall is genuinely very depressing. But yeah, dude, the indentation in Python is the most annoying thing. Bro, you know what's funny? Upwork banned Amin when he was doing 33 startup series. He made an account on Upwork and he got banned. I saw when he got banned the first time, his old account got banned. He was really successful on there actually, but when he originally got banned, we were talking about, he's the one who introduced me to it, and then I tried running it too, and then yeah, of course, bro. Of course it was an indentation error, bro. It's always an indentation error. Hopefully this works. Okay, one case worked. Okay, somewhat working. What's SD standard out? What's happening? List index out of range. How can you be out of range ever? There's no way. You think you got a permanent ban? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Also, for your projects that are on your resume, make sure that you add the steps on how to run it. When I was reviewing resumes, we had a rubric to follow, and one of the items was documentations. Do you want me to add it on the resume or the GitHub? Other things were like we would merge in this code if it came through as PR, so make sure you have error handling and logs. Okay, fair, valid. So where do I add how to run the project? On my resume or on my GitHub? Or on, yeah, like what would I do? From the platform, like in the future he makes an account, he'll get instant ban. Why'd they permanently ban him recently though? What's going on? Why is Upwork so strict? Add it to the readme file. Okay, got you. I should add my GitHub links then probably. I don't know why I haven't added my GitHub links, but yeah. Should definitely add it. Ban Upwork was been changed so much. Upwork, yeah, dude, they're very strict. I'm very surprised I haven't got banned yet, to be honest. But I don't use it anymore, so that's another thing. Show me how this code runs for this input. Do not give me any corrected solution or code. I know what's gonna happen. It's just gonna show me like some dumb error within my thing. And I'm just gonna realize how dumb I was. Let's see. Upwork is just weird. Upwork just likes the beef, bro. Toronto, bro, is it cold in Canada? I don't live in Toronto, but it's not cold right now. It's like pretty, like, how would I say this? It's like it's all right. It's the summer right now. Why would it be cold? Okay. Let's see our initialization. So we set it to index 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay. Nowhere in Canada is cold right now. It gets cold in like November. November is when it gets all messed up and stuff, and everyone's just cooked. Current. Okay, we set our current pointer here. Left not equal to 0, not equal to 4. True, so the loop runs. Total equals none. What am I returning? Why is my standard? Why do I have a standard output? Okay, wait. What the heck is this cracked solution? I'm just printing nums. What the heck? Why is this just repeating nums? Toronto cooked in winter? Yeah, bro. Weather's terrible. Everywhere is terrible. Everywhere in Canada is terrible, except Vancouver, I guess. In winter, Vancouver is actually kind of nice. But yeah, let's see what's happening. So total is not left not equal. There's like 100 iterations. Choose the loop continues, finds 4. Yeah, I don't think it works. Continuing the process repeats without incurring. Returns result. It thinks the code will return this, but that is the correct answer actually, but it doesn't. So something is wrong. We gotta figure out what it is. Oh my god, chat. I am exhausted. I'm so done with Leet Code, bro. I think I should come to YouTube back. Bro, I don't even know what you do, bro. You are the most confusing guy, bro. You're in chat, but you don't tell me, like, what's up. Like, I don't know what, like, are you a YouTuber? Are you a software engineer? Do you work at a company? Like, what is your background, bro? Anytime I ask you, you dodge the questions. You like dodging like this. Like, you just like, I'm shooting, you're going, ooh, like that. But yeah. Also, guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Dude, apparently this thinks I did the right thing. I used to do YouTube back in the days. So then what do you do right now, bro? What is your current occupation? You just grind? You're just grinding. And that's valid. I respect it. But what's the point of grind? Are you like making money through the grind, or are you just chilling? Like, what's going on? Oh, okay. I guess I'll have to write this before then. I don't even know, actually. Oh my god, I'm gonna... Yes, sir. Oh, silence emoji. 1 second, guys. Hi, I'm back, boys. I'm back. Maybe if I put this beforehand. No, that doesn't even make sense. How would you safeguard? Don't give any code. Zabe deleting all the messages, damn. We're deleting it ASAP. I guess we could write this before we calculate the total. Yo, what am I writing? What the heck? YouTube is deleting my message. Nah, you deleting it, bro. What do you mean? This guy's trolling. List index out of range, bro. Why is this messing around so much? How the heck is this possible? Okay, so this is how it would safeguard if current is less than 0. Or current is greater than or equal to len nums. Alright, I guess this is the only change that I made. Okay, I guess it safeguarded it this way. Let's see if, well, I don't know why it shouldn't even be going like this anyways, but. Okay, it fixed it. So, it is doing the right thing. Don't get me wrong. Why is 2 minus 4 or 2 not allowed? But it's just taking a bunch of different combinations. If I sort this, it'll be okay. I guess this safeguarding if statement fixed things. But in terms of like, yeah, why am I not allowed to do that? And the indices I, J, K are all distinct. Because it's taking 2 2s, I guess? Yeah, it shouldn't be doing that, actually. Why is it taking 2 2s? I mean, there's a simple way to, like, make sure that this, before I even append it. Like, I can sort it before I append it. But yeah, bro, I've been grinding for 20 hours. Bro, wanna do one monkey type test with me? Yeah, after I finish this problem. I think I'm almost done. But let me just check. Nums left, nums right, nums right. I guess I'll just sort this. Will I get a syntax error? Equals triplet. Triplet dot sort. This is gonna be slow though because of the triplet dot sort, but I guess it just makes things easier. Let him cook. We're almost there, boys. Almost. Triplet dot sort, and then we'll take this. And triplet not in result. Okay, this should fix a couple things. It gets rid of all the useless stuff, the extra things. Wait, why does it still do this? Is this not sorted? Yo, why is this not sorted? 1 second. What was happening before with this? Before I was getting... Is there a difference? I guess there's... It just fixes this. I guess, bro, I guess. What's going on? Bro, can you name an e-commerce website he built? Want to check it out? I genuinely, on God, I don't have the link or anything. I've never... He just shown me on, like... I think he just showed me once as a screenshot, but I don't actually have the link to it. I could ask him, but I don't know, maybe he doesn't want to share it or something. So triplet equals triplet dot sort and triplet not in result. Yeah, it gets rid of one of them, but it's still like this one still stays. I don't know why this is not sorted, because 0 minus 1 1 isn't even like, it shouldn't be there, and then the 2 2 minus 4 2, I don't even know why that's happening, to be honest. Why does this code? Bro, come on, it's already a public website. I don't have the link, bro. I just told you. I don't. If I did, I wouldn't show it anyways, cause it's not my business. But yeah. Why does this output this? Like, you guys should just ask him on his Discord, and if he wants to show you guys, I guess he can. I might help him, might make some sales. Again, like, I just don't want to disrespect anyone. It's correct for inputs, nums. Sorry, I meant my output is this. I gave you the correct output. I don't know why mine is taking 2. I think I remember even doing that actually. There is no positive 4, so I did a negative 4, but I don't know where it gets the 2 2s from. That's kind of confused. I think that means that something is going wrong in my thing where I'm doing current as 2 twice. So maybe I'm just initializing something incorrectly. So it's saying I should check before. before I even calculate the total. Okay, what was the website logo name? Dude, I don't know, bro. You're asking the questions that I don't have answers to. I don't even think I saw it. He sent me a photo. I think we were on a video call and he showed me. To answer, you rely too much on AI. No, the whole code I literally wrote myself. I'm just reviewing. I'm debugging this. I'm debugging this thing right now to figure out what's even going wrong. Do you use the mouse to draw there? Yeah, sadly. Zahib, I'm checking for you if I have his thing. I don't think I do though. No, I genuinely don't have it. But yeah, let me just look. AAA is essentially an order of operations. The order in which you handle left ranker in my case causes some unexpected adjusted correctly. Your duplicate entries are the same, non-zeros. Even though it doesn't sum to 0, it does sum to 0 though. 2 plus 2, plus minus 4. How is this wrong? But the only issue is there's no extra 2. I don't know where it got the 2 from. So, I think 2 plus minus 4 plus 2 literally equals 0, but it's just this is how stupid AI is. 0. Yeah, it equals to 0, but I don't know where it's getting this extra 2 from. Maybe the order in which I'm doing everything is messed up. And then even this error check it does here with the duplicate entries are the same on both hands. Okay, wait. Ensure always sort the triplet before checking its existence and results. I'm like sorting the triplet right here. Unless I'm supposed to do it like this. Maybe. Can I ask him for the website link? Just 1 second. How did this manage to make it worse? What the hell? How to sort a list in Python. Yeah, AI don't know how any. Don't even know how many are instructions. Yeah, it's stupid, bro. I was just using it to debug this because like debugging this would have taken forever, and I just told AI, yo, Heike, just debug this for me, and then it told me something about this line and how like this will help index checking, so I just told it to give me them. But other than that, I literally just use AI to see how it's getting debugged. Can I ask him for the website? Bro, ask him on his Discord. Just ask him directly. Bro, I've used AI and saved hours of work. Yeah, AI does save hours of work. Like, anyone who says, like, not to use AI and stuff, like, every company actually recommends you using it because it makes you a faster, quicker developer. I don't need to debug everything with my own brain, bro. Like, there's no need for it. If AI can do it for me, then there's no market use for me doing it, if that makes sense. Unless we lose power to all technology, which, if that happens, I wouldn't even have a job. So that's my thought process on it. But learning, I guess initially learning, then yeah, use it. But if you know what you're doing, then you don't need to. Bro, how do I set... I guess do triplet, sorted triplet. SDSF F4 triple 4. Is it worth doing CS at this point? Yes, because AI can do everything. AI is not as smart as you think it is. It can do simple tasks, which can help you save time, makes you an easier it makes your developing job easier, but it doesn't replace you. Raja, you should not use AI as it does not know how many are in strawberry. I think there's 3, if I'm not mistaken. Like, if you use Stack Overflow, for example, would that not also be considered cheating then? Like, genuine question for you guys. Why did I put sorted strawberry? But if you use Stack Overflow, is that not also cheating then? Okay, this fixes it. But I still have this issue. I don't know why this is going through. There's something off. There's no way this would just go through like that. -110. Are they just 2 separate ones? No, they're not even. So why? Does Python just not sort negatives correctly? Even this isn't sorted. So that means these aren't even getting sorted properly. Oh, okay, I'm literally just stupid. Sorry, guys. This is just my stupidity. This is just genuine stupidity on my end. Now I fixed it. Look, I didn't even need AI to tell me that. Yo, like AI couldn't even point that out. I mean, I didn't ask it to anyways, but AI couldn't even point out this stupid mistake. And now I just gotta figure out where the heck this is coming from, and I'm good to go. Like, my code works. I just need to know why this is not working. I don't even know how this happened. Like, it has to do something. It's probably just like if I debug this enough, I can probably figure it out. Let's see. Let's debug this code. Yes, but I'm talking about the saturation of software engineers. To be fair, there are a lot of software engineers, but they're also needed depending on like how many, like if the economy is growing, the number of software engineers needed are growing because you're getting more businesses, you're getting more expansions, all that. The economy is down right now, which is why we're highlighting this so much, but it's not because there's a lot of software engineers that went in. It's because what's it called? It's not that there are a lot of software engineers. There's just not a lot of opportunities, which is why we're highlighting the saturation so much. Bro, please message him for the website link. You know he's busy and does not use the reply message. Dude, he hasn't replied to my last message either, so he's busy for both of us. And I'm not even just saying that. Like, he genuinely hasn't replied to my last message. So what can I do, bro? Like, honest to God, he hasn't replied to my last message, so I can't do anything. I mean, I understand that I understand why you need me to do it, but it's just like I can't do anything about that. I'm just gonna debug this myself and see where this -4. Okay, so -4. What was it originally? Does anyone remember? It was 2 minus 4 2. So our num's right was -4. So it's here. And then, okay, look, I just debugged this myself and figured out. What would you recommend learning after Python? Java. Or JavaScript if you just want to get straight into web development. I just do JavaScript. Now that if I look back, that's what I would do. Okay, so this is what we currently have. Or what we're starting with. And as you guys can see, this is all YAP because we're going towards here. So if current is not equal to left, okay, so this is the one before, I think. our right would be right minus 1. How did it end up at 2? If our right is 4, I guess our current just went on to. So we cannot, like, I just wouldn't add this. I guess and current not equal to left. Okay, it worked. I did that all myself. You guys witnessed it yourself. Right? So anyone saying I'm using AI or any of that, you guys just witnessed me do all of that myself. The only thing I swear to God I took from AI was this. And I could have wrote this myself, I just didn't care to. Everything else I did myself. And we got the problem accepted. So I did it myself. The idea was all myself. It's all on stream. But yeah, Bootsoul's an OG. I know you're a good guy. But I had to prove to you, bro. I got the skills. Are you here? I hope you saw that. Bro, now do the monkey type test. Wait, I have to see the solution from Leet Code and then I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do the monkey type test after I see the solution from Leet Code. Also, that took me way too long, but to be fair, I was reading your guys' comments for like at least half an hour, 40 minutes, just discussing things with you guys. But this was done myself, boys. We got there in the end. Okay, I just want to see how long this is, like, what the actual threesome. Pause. Why did I say threesome? Why? Just want to see what the time complexity is on this. Oh, I gotta log in. 1 second. I'll do the monkey type test with you. I think I did it last time with you though. What's so fun about typing quickly? How does that help? How does it help typing quickly? Alright, we logged in. Submit. I hope this not slow. It shouldn't be that slow. Oh my god, it's so slow. I exceeded the time limit. Wait, is there a oh, I think I've done this problem May 12th, 2024, and I exceeded the time limit in that as well. Damn. What does it need me to do it in? Does it need an O of N? I guess the sorting is what causes the O of N. But it works on Leet Code. That's kind of confusing. It's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. So it got accepted here, but if I go on here, it exceeds the time limit. Bro, where is your Discord? It's coming, bro. It's coming. I'ma make it. It's coming soon, bro. You guys are right. I gotta stop lacking on that. I gotta make it for you guys. I gotta make it. Everyone wants it. We gotta give it to the people. Y'all gotta hit the subscribe button still, though. Everyone gotta hit the subscribe button right now, and then we gotta push through. But I will make it. Don't worry. Don't stress, boys. I'll make it. I should make it. Bro, please message him for the website link. He will reply you at any time soon. Dude, I sent him a happy birthday message, and he's really busy right now, so he replied to me the next day. And then I said, how was your day? And he hasn't replied to me still, so yeah. Keep working hard, bro. Cheering for you. I like the all caps. But thank you, bro. Thank you. We're grinding, bro. We're trying to get there. We are trying to get there. Let's just see Leet Code's Leet Code's video solution.
Okay, let's solve Leet Code 15, 3-sum, the sequel to the popular question 2-sum. So before you solve this question, the first thing you should do is make sure that you've solved and we want them to sum to 0. So in the example, there were 2 elements, or 2 triplets that summed to the total 0. Now, one problem is that we cannot have duplicates in our solution. So we're gonna have to keep that in the back of our minds. So let's just start the most brute force. That's that can again we want to eliminate the duplicates. So the numbers that come after it, we could potentially find duplicates. The solution to this problem is to sort the input array. Let me show you what I mean. So here you can see that the array is now sorted. Let's cross out our top -3 twice that start with a -3. So we don't need to do that anymore. We already visited this one. We're going to skip this one, and then we're going to go here. So that means in this case, we're not going to find any more results in the remaining portion of the array because they're all positive. They're never going to sum to 0. So then...
Alright, bro, you just don't want to message him? Dude, I do, but like, it's just if someone hasn't replied to you, it just looks really bad if I'm messaging him after he hasn't replied yet. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, he's obviously busy, so I don't want to push it.
In our result, we're only twice. So then we're now simply going to do 3 sum to 0, then we're going to add them to the solution set. If the sum, though, is too big, for example, if our sum was greater than 0, we want to decrease our sum. Now, we can do this smaller than 0. Now, there could be duplicates among these left and right values too. For example, if this 1 was a -3, not again, we are using this and equal, we use 0, 3, not and 2. Want to update our left pointer, right? So then our left pointer gets the -2 again. But that's the same one.
Okay, this is his solution. Bus. What's up with the bus? So wait, if I is greater than 0 and a equal nums I minus 1, continue. Okay, so that's just handling going out of range. Left and right left equals I plus 1, fair enough. Len nums minus 1 is like, okay, they start from the end. 3, while left is less than right. Okay, 3 sum equals a plus no. Okay, how is this not O of n squared? Like, what is the time complexity? It's O of n log n? Okay, I guess, yeah, because of the while loop, it's O of n log n. So you can't let this be O of n squared, I'm guessing? A plus nums L plus X section. I made my portfolio 1 week ago. Let's go. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. W stuff. Cop. Are you proficient with Bootstrap and React? I just learned Bootstrap, but I had to look up a lot of things. You think I should spend more time or just jump to React and Next.js? Dude, any coding language to get really proficient at it, it's gonna take a bit of time, but just relax with it. Do a little more projects with it, and then you can jump to React and Next.js. And then even that, it's not gonna be like a snap of the finger you're gonna learn the language. It takes a bit of time. AI is helpful. Use AI to understand stuff. I know some people say, yo, AI is like, don't use AI. We're in the age of AI. There's nothing stopping the age of AI. We can't do anything about it, but why not use it to your advantage, right? So use AI, use Stack Overflow, use Geeks for Geeks, all that, and just build more projects with it. And it's okay that you look things up, as long as you understand what those things are doing, you should be good. Okay, bro, but anytime you talk to him, please ask for a website link. What did he say on the Discord though? If he told you guys about the e-commerce stuff, why didn't you guys like ask for the website he's making or whatever?
Before. So in that case, we want to update it one more time to get it over here, right? Now in that case, now our sum is going to be too big because we're going to be at 0 plus 2, so that's greater than 0. So then our loop is going to execute.
Yo, I is the index, A is the value, right? So, and A equals none, continue. Okay. So wait, what's my solutions? I think my solution's O of n squared, and I think for time complexity you need O of n log n. Okay, bro, but anytime you talk to rate my portfolio, is it good? Where'd you send it? I can't open it. I can't receive links on my YouTube chat. I don't know why. It's just a thing. What is the time and space complexity of this? I think me sorting it within the list causes this to be O of n squared. I'm pretty sure this is O of n squared because of this while loop, obviously. And then, yeah, the while loop causes it to be O of n squared, O of n, and then the O of n squared here. But if I didn't sort it, I think it's O of n. O of n cubed. Holy. Where's the O of n cubed? Where is that? I guess the and not okay. Maybe that's why. Can you explain the time complexity? You just want to check out the website, nothing. Dude, I promise you, like, I'm not even lying to you. Like, if I was, I'd be upfront about it. I wouldn't even lie. He hasn't responded to my recent messages, so I can't even, like, it just looks really bad if you just keep asking someone something, or you just go in there, like, in their if you text them and they don't reply, you're supposed to wait. Like, he's basically saying like he's busy, you know. He literally sent a list of how your e-commerce website should be. Damn. How is this O of n cubed, bro? Now I just feel like my solution is trash. The outer while loop runs while left is not equal to len. Since left starts at 0 and is incremented n minus n times. Okay, that we know. The while loop, you have two key pointers, right and current. The right pointer start. Okay. Okay, I guess, yeah, that's where the second O of n comes. And then the third step, triplet not in result. Takes O of k. Okay, I guess the check of triplet not in result causes it, but that's kind of interesting. Wow. Give me a more. You gotta do one monkey type? Okay, but we'll do the monkey type. Send me the code and I'll join. I'm gonna lock in for this monkey type test. We go win. I think I won last time. Also, guys, if you're new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. And yeah, when Discord dev coming soon. Dev dot. Why is it called monkey type test though? Give me a better solution. Buddy, how many problems did you solve today? We just did the threesome today. We were able to solve it. But the solution is not the best. It could have been better, but I guess it worked. This is the solution he had. Room code EC5DA3. Let's add this. Also, guys, again, if you're new, smash the subscribe button. We gotta grow even faster, bro. Yes, sir. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. Let's get ready. Okay, we're gonna win this overall. 200, a little over 200. A little over 200. Okay, are we starting? Oh my god, I choked. Why am I choking? I'm choking! No! Right, I choked. Congratulations, Abe, you won. I choked. I literally choked so hard. Run it back, low-key. We might have to run one back. Are we running it back or what's up? Okay, you said another one. Bet. One more, boys. For the boys. Are we getting this one or are we not? I think we're gonna win. I think we're gonna win. Because... Okay, lock in. Because since do more small where place say I choked already. I literally choked. I know I choked. Word there and have leave few between too many when if off and first year without present who through. Okay, who won that? I think you might have won that, Zabe. Did I win? Oh no, you won. My accuracy was just messed up. I think you barely won though. You won, damn. Yo, there's a third guy. Who else joined? There's a third guy. Okay, screw it. We got 3 people, bro. Need, run, life, about, give, after, where, state, about, large, off, before, place, have, any, which, a, play, I, develop, new, by, now, the world, make, against, chat. I'm actually so bad. Whoever guessed who was, bro, you're cracked. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually too bad. Yo, y'all run this. Sahib, you run this with guess 2, bro. I'm cooked. I am cooked. So this is the solution that ChatGPT gives. Skip the same elements to avoid duplicate triplets. So I think this is how they make it instead of O of n squared. How left is left and less than right. What is the space and time complexity of this? Okay, O and log n for the 2-pointer search. So I guess them skipping the duplicate part without even needing to check really changes everything. To be fair, so valid, bro, not gonna lie. That's valid. And then they have a num's eye where it goes through each part. Can you go threesome? Bro, whenever I say that, it just throws me off. Like, I just keep saying threesome. It's just like, yo, what am I saying, dog? What am I saying? I just keep saying threesome, bro. Someone joined the room, battle me. Bootso, you're cracked, bro. You're low-key cracked. Was that you who was the guest too? Because you were going crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Can you go through the code line by line? We are about to hit the 2-hour mark on stream. We are back, baby. Streaming. Also, guys, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. It gets me further in life when you guys subscribe. It gets me to a place so far. What am I saying, bro? I'm actually lost right now. Okay, so they sort it so that, like, okay, now I understand the sorting, and then that's why they check it in the way that they do. Because the one before, if nums equals but what if, okay, if it's greater than 0, and then they check if the one before is the same. If it's not, then they move on. Fair enough. Okay, that's how you get rid of the duplicates. Left equals I plus 1. They start at I, left equals I plus 1 and minus 1. And then they check every combination with that number. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's kind of what I did, but with just skipping the duplicates rather than sorting the duplicates and then checking if the list is like, sorting and then checking if it's not already in, because that takes O of n, so that added the extra time complexity. I guess what I could do then is that I could do the same thing where I sort the list. No, but then I'd have to completely change my approach. Or would I? Would I have to? I don't know. I kind of would, yeah. I'd have to rewrite it in a different way. But this makes a lot of sense. Skip duplicates for left and right. So while left is less than right, nums left equals nums left minus 1, left plus equals 1. So why does it, what's the skip duplicates for left and right? Oh, so if it's the same one, if it's the same number, then make sure to move on. That's fair. That's fair enough. Okay. So this is only if the total is 0. Also, if the total is less than 0. Why are we checking only if it's less than? Okay, if it's, maybe there's, I don't know. Oh, because it's sorted, so they work around that. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, Leet Code accepted my solution, so I guess I did enough. But yeah, let's see what else we have left. So we only have one more 2-pointer. We'll do this tomorrow if I don't get to start my head starter stuff. But yeah, that was good. We solved the problem by ourselves. It's good. Didn't need to do anything. Didn't need outside help, I guess, other than debugging. But yeah, no worries, Abe. Take care. I think I'm about to wrap up stream for the day as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. It was an awesome stream. Had a really good time. I think I'm gonna just gonna do my thing for the rest of the day now. I think that's enough for today's stream. It was really fun. I'm back. We're gonna grind. We only have 20-something days left of the summer, so yeah, let's run it. Let's get there. Let's make sure that we are all successful. And yeah, it's end of August, start of September is gonna be the biggest point where I'm probably gonna be able to get an internship, and that's when the most opportunities are gonna come. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. And if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Let's get to 10K soon. We're already at 1. We're at 10% there, so let's try our best. And yeah, guys, take care. Thank you guys for tuning in.